Hello, another innovative product from MagDaddy, Dakota Systems. I think after 50 years of stagnation, the industry needs a little change. Dakota Smart Strut, stocked and ready to go in 10 different lengths, 14 to 102 inches. Upside, downside, clamps, everything's done right here. And how long did that take? Nothing. This system is designed around your needs. First time in 80 years that we've thought about you as opposed to you thinking about how you're going to get this system to work for you. We're now sitting there, we built a system to work for you. Enjoy MagDaddy, come to our website, watch us grow.